Hi there, as the title says, we are going to be making baked peaches using the air fryer today. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. If you're looking for a quick, easy, delicious dessert, this is it. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using 2 peaches today. First thing we're going to do is cut these in half. Just going to take a spoon and dig out that pit. By the way, just in case you are wondering, these are Georgia peaches. I have 1 tablespoon of butter that I went ahead and cut into 4ths. I'm going to place 1 on each peach. And here I have 4 teaspoons of light brown sugar. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and mix that all in good. I figure 1 teaspoon per peach should be enough. Now we're just going to add this to the top of our peaches. Again, about 1 teaspoon per peach. Actually, this is looking pretty good, so I am going to stop right here. I probably have about 1 teaspoon left over. Now, if you want, you can add these peaches straight into the air fryer basket, or you can use a cake pan or any oven-safe dish that will fit inside your air fryer. I think I'll go ahead and use this pizza pan. It's going to make a much easier cleanup, and I'm all about that. I'm going to add these peaches into the pan. Now I'll just go ahead and add my pizza pan straight into the air fryer basket, and we are ready to pop these in. I have the air fryer set on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I will keep an eye on these and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, it has been 8 minutes, so these are ready. Keep in mind, if your peaches are not as ripe, it's probably going to take a few minutes longer. Again, these 8 minutes and they are ready. I'm going to plate one of these up and we'll take a taste. All right. As you saw, I put some ice cream on top. You can use cream too if you'd rather, or drizzle some caramel on top. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Tastes like a peach pie. Oh my gosh. So good. Quick, easy, and delicious dessert. So if you're looking for a quick and easy dessert, give this a try. It is so yummy. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few here you can check out next. Also, if you are not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Coming up in the very near future, I'm going to be incorporating low-carb recipes using the air fryer. So let me know if you are on the keto diet or on a low-carb diet. I'm really anxious to know. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.